Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of personal health monitoring. Imagine having the power to track your vital signs, sleep patterns, and even blood glucose levels in real time, all with the help of cutting-edge technology. That's the reality of personal health monitoring, PHM, and in this video, we'll explore its growth, impact, and the exciting integration of drones and IoT in revolutionizing the field. So, let's dive in. Personal health monitoring has come a long way from traditional pen and paper record keeping. With the advent of mHealth technologies, such as wearable devices and mobile applications, individuals now have unprecedented access to their health data. This has empowered people to take proactive steps towards managing their well-being and achieving healthier lifestyles. Wearable fitness trackers like Fitbit and Apple Watch have become ubiquitous, allowing users to monitor their physical activity, heart rate, and even sleep quality. Continuous glucose monitors, CGMs, such as Dexcom CGM have been a game-changer for diabetics, offering real-time insights into blood sugar levels. And let's not forget about smart health watches, which have evolved into essential healthcare tools with features like heart rhythm monitoring and ECG capabilities. But it's not just about individual tracking. Remote patient monitoring, RPM, devices have revolutionized healthcare by enabling healthcare providers to monitor patients' conditions from outside the hospital or clinic setting. From blood pressure cuffs to wearable ECG monitors, these devices allow for continuous monitoring, early intervention, and better management of chronic conditions. Now, let's talk about the integration of drones and IoT in personal health monitoring. Drones equipped with advanced sensors and cameras are being used to monitor large-scale events, disaster zones, and even agricultural fields. But did you know that they're also making waves in healthcare? Medical drones are being developed to deliver essential supplies to remote areas, provide emergency medical assistance, and even transport medical samples for testing. But their role doesn't stop there. Drones are also being explored for personal health monitoring. Picture this: a drone equipped with sensors flying overhead, continuously monitoring your vital signs and environmental factors like air quality and UV exposure. This data is then seamlessly integrated with wearable devices and mobile apps, providing a comprehensive picture of your health in real time. The integration of drones and IoT in personal health monitoring offers several benefits. It allows for early detection of health issues, especially in remote or hard-to-reach areas. It also enables more proactive healthcare interventions, reducing the burden on traditional healthcare systems. Plus, it promotes greater autonomy and empowerment for individuals, putting them in control of their health like never before. In conclusion, personal health monitoring has undergone a remarkable transformation thanks to advancements in technology. From wearable devices to medical drones, we're witnessing a revolution in how we track and manage our health. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone managing a chronic condition, embrace the power of personal health monitoring and take charge of your well-being today. Personal health monitoring isn't just about tracking data, it's about improving patient outcomes. By regularly monitoring vital signs, physical activity, and other health metrics, individuals can gain invaluable insights into their health, enabling them to detect potential issues early on. This proactive approach to health management can lead to better disease management, improved treatment adherence, and ultimately, enhanced overall well-being. For those dealing with chronic conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, self-monitoring can be a game-changer, helping individuals better manage their conditions and reducing the risk of complications. The impact of personal health monitoring extends beyond individual well-being. It has the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery by facilitating earlier detection and treatment of health issues. Remote patient monitoring, in particular, has shown promising results, with studies indicating reduced hospitalizations and improved management of chronic conditions. But despite its many benefits, the implementation of personal health monitoring in healthcare comes with its fair share of challenges. One significant challenge is ensuring the accuracy of the data collected from personal health monitoring devices. After all, reliable data is crucial for making informed healthcare decisions. Additionally, interoperability issues between different monitoring systems and electronic health records can hinder seamless data integration, complicating the healthcare process. confidentiality and privacy concerns also loom large in the realm of personal health monitoring. With the increasing reliance on technology, safeguarding health data from unauthorized access becomes paramount, requiring robust security measures and regulatory compliance. Moreover, there's the challenge of user acceptance and attitudes towards mHealth technologies. Convincing patients to trust and adopt these tools for self-care can be an uphill battle, especially when skepticism about accuracy and reliability persists. And let's not forget about the regulatory and legal barriers that come into play. Compliance with regulations, navigating legal frameworks, and ensuring data protection can be daunting tasks for healthcare providers and organizations. However, addressing these challenges is not insurmountable. It requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses technological advancements, robust regulatory frameworks, comprehensive data security measures, patient education, and support for healthcare providers. Despite these hurdles, the potential benefits of personal health monitoring in improving patient outcomes make it a valuable area of focus for healthcare innovation. In conclusion, personal health monitoring has the power to transform healthcare as we know it. By empowering individuals to take an active role in their health and well-being, we can pave the way for a healthier future for all. Personal health monitoring isn't just about tracking health metrics, it's also about providing specialized care and support, especially for seniors. Let's delve into the unique benefits and solutions tailored to their needs. For seniors, personal health monitoring offers a plethora of advantages, fostering independence and ensuring timely assistance when needed. Take, for example, the aid to independent living provided by monitoring systems. Seniors can age at home with confidence, knowing that help is just a button press away in case of emergencies. Medical alert systems are a lifeline for many seniors, offering immediate assistance during critical situations like falls or medical incidents. This not only promotes independence but also provides peace of mind for both seniors and their families. Moreover, modern monitoring systems prioritize privacy and convenience, with discreet designs resembling everyday accessories like fitness trackers or smartwatches. This ensures that seniors can maintain their dignity while staying connected to vital assistance. Let's take a closer look at some innovative personal health monitoring devices specifically designed for seniors. MedMinder's locked pill dispenser offers remote monitoring by caregivers, ensuring medication adherence with timely reminders and alerts. Rest Assured provides in-home monitoring services, offering live videos and alerts for various events like motion detection or temperature changes. Wearable devices like CarePredict offer comprehensive health tracking, monitoring daily activities, sleep patterns, and even fall detection. Meanwhile, the KardiaMobile EKG device provides instant analysis of heart health, allowing seniors to share critical data with their healthcare providers effortlessly. These devices not only empower seniors to monitor their health but also provide invaluable support to their caregivers and loved ones. From medication reminders to continuous glucose monitoring, these solutions enable seniors to age in place more independently while ensuring their safety and well-being. If you found this exploration of personal health monitoring enlightening, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the intersection of technology and healthcare. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier and happier life.